Hello, my name is Dr. Gregory Mulford. I am the Medical Director of Atlantic Rehabilitation. If you or a loved one require rehabilitation services after you leave our medical center, I'd like to encourage you to choose Atlantic Rehabilitation. Our highly experienced team of rehabilitation professionals will create a personalized care plan to help you achieve your particular goals. Atlantic Rehabilitation is the leading choice of rehabilitation services for people who are unable to return directly to their home following orthopedic surgery, trauma, or after having a stroke or other neurological disorder. As a certified stroke center, we've helped those who have had a stroke return back to their homes and to their lives. You may find other rehabilitation services closer to your home. I can assure you it's worth driving the extra miles to Atlantic Rehabilitation. So please take a few minutes and listen to the stories of two patients, Glenn and Bill, who chose Atlantic Rehabilitation for their rehab care.
I'm Glenn Merritt. I'm a professional jazz musician. After a bad car accident, I was admitted to Morristown Medical Center with multiple fractures. My hand was in bad shape. I wasn't sure if I'd play the piano again. After I left Morristown Medical Center, I chose Atlantic Rehabilitation as my rehab provider.
Atlantic Rehabilitation is a leading provider of rehabilitation services, specializing in the treatment of people who have suffered multiple fractures, spinal injuries, stroke, or who require treatment for neurologic disorders or other disabling conditions. And Atlantic Rehabilitation is the leading choice for surgeons who refer their patients for rehabilitation after orthopedic surgeries.
The rehabilitation team at Atlantic Rehabilitation worked with me every day, encouraging me to meet my goals. My main goal was to return to playing music again. The staff incorporated piano as part of my therapy. The personalized care that I received was amazing. The people at Atlantic Rehabilitation made my goals their own. After my discharge, I began playing professionally again.
Atlantic Rehabilitation is certified as a Stroke Center of Excellence by the Commission on the Accreditation of Rehabilitation Facilities and is also accredited by the Joint Commission.
I'm Bill Daly. I'm a stroke survivor.
Bill's stroke was severe. When he was ready for discharge from the hospital, the doctors told me that he may require long-term care for the rest of his life. I had to make a decision about where Bill should go for rehab. I'd heard many good things about Atlantic Rehabilitation's program. There were other options offered, closer to home, but I wanted the best for Bill.
Atlantic Rehabilitation is a recognized leader in restoring patients to their prior functionality, consistently discharging more than 85% of its patients who have suffered stroke back to the homes they lived in prior to their illness. The majority of those patients who've returned home report being satisfied with their ability to participate in community life again, far exceeding the national average.
The quality of the care that I received was tremendous. I owe my life to the people at Atlantic Rehabilitation.
Bill made a remarkable recovery after rehab. He became a key part of the rehabilitation team, serving as president of the Stroke Support Group at the Monsignor Core Stroke Education Center. He wrote a book about his experiences and is currently an active volunteer at the Rehab Institute. Glenn returns to Atlantic Rehabilitation every year with his bandmates to play at our annual Thanksgiving dinner. If you or a loved one ever need our services, or if you would like to learn more about what Atlantic Rehabilitation has to offer, please call for more information.
It's our pleasure to serve you on your road to recovery. Remember, when selecting rehabilitation services, choose Atlantic Rehabilitation. Please speak to a nurse, social worker, or one of our representatives to schedule your rehabilitation care or to answer any questions you may have. Be well.